In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple stops and request a ride in the Uber app on iPhone, 2 minutes and 15 seconds. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set your pickup, add up to 2 extra stops, and request the ride with confidence. Start by opening the Uber app on your iPhone. You'll land on the home screen map. At the bottom, tap the search bar that says Where to. This is where you'll set everything up for your trip. First, enter your pickup location. If the app already detects where you are, you can keep that as is. If you're meeting your driver somewhere specific, start typing the address or place name and select it from the suggestions so the driver knows precisely where to go. Next, enter your first destination in the same search field. Choose the correct address from the list. You'll see your route previewed on the map, along with the estimated time and fare once you select a ride later. To add another stop, tap the Add Stop option beside the destination. It looks like a small plus icon. This opens a new field where you can add an additional address. Enter your second destination and confirm it from the suggestions. If you need one more stop, tap Add Stop again. Uber lets you include up to 2 extra stops before your final destination, which is handy for dropping off a friend or picking something up along the way. When your stops are set, tap Done. Take a quick moment to glance at the order of your stops. If anything looks out of sequence, adjust it before continuing so your route makes sense and the price estimate stays accurate. Now choose your ride option. You'll see choices that may vary by city, like more affordable options, roomier vehicles, or premium rides. Each option shows an estimated arrival time and fare, so pick the one that best fits your needs, your group size, and your luggage. Finally, review your details and tap Confirm and Pay to request the trip. Make sure your payment method is correct and that the pickup pin and stops look right. Once you confirm, the app will connect you with a nearby driver and show their arrival time. That's it. You've opened the app, set your pickup, added up to 2 stops, finalized your route, selected a ride, and confirmed your trip. Safe travels and enjoy the ride.